Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are excited because today we're gonna do an old favorite. You know him, you love him. It's Alexa, please. Hold on a second, folks. It's gonna start loading in a few seconds. And wait for it. And
Shuffling songs by SpongeBob SquarePants on Amazon Music.
I call this one.
that's right, folks. We're doing SpongeBob SquarePants today. As you must know, SpongeBob is the main character and the star of Nickelodeon Studios, and I'm sure you'll like doing this. Okay, folks, let's get started, because I have a special photo for him. Let's go. Okay, so when drawing him, you must start with his eyes.
Good! It'll help if you just sing along. Oh yeah!
Okay. There's his eye.
Oh, I used to be just an ordinary guy. 5 days a week, working my 9 to 5.
There's his eye.
With that extra mile, I gave him service with a smile. That's me, employee of the month. That's me, employee of the month. Although some might say that working hard's for fools, I've come all this way with just some simple rules. Keep your station clean and bright. The
Okay, there's his face.
customer's right.
Next up, here's his holes.
That's me, employee of the month. That's me, employee of the month. We work so hard, but I never once complained. We work so hard. Now they put my picture in a frame. When you reach the top, that means you're the cream. We give it all we got, 'cause there ain't no I in team. Mind your manners, don't be rude. A bright and cheery attitude.
Okay, next up is his finger.
That's me, employee of the month. That's me, employee of the month. We work so hard, yeah, but I never once complained. We work so hard. They put my picture in a frame, and underneath they spelled my name. If it weren't for me, this place would fall apart. It takes elbow grease and a great big bunch of heart. I broke my back, I gave my all. Now that's my face up on the wall. That's me, employee of the month. Hey, look! That's me, employee of the month. That's me,
is SpongeBob. And there's his body.
Yep, that's me.
Now that next thing you gotta do, since his name is SquarePants, let's draw some square pants.
I like to call this little number striped sweater. The best time to wear a striped sweater.
Here's his tie.
Is all the time.
Alexa, next song.
I'm Goofy Goober!
Okay, that's a good song.
You're a Goofy Goober! We're all Goofy Goobers!
Now this is a song worthy of SpongeBob.
Goofy, Goofy, Goober, Goober!
I'm dedicating this to all you SpongeBob fans out there. Even Patchy the Pirate. Hope you guys are watching this. Okay, next up are his thighs.
You're a Goofy Goober! We're all Goofy Goobers! Goofy, Goofy, Goober, Goober, yeah!
Next up are his socks. There. Next up is his other foot. And there. That is how you draw SpongeBob. Pretty awesome, don't you think? This goes out to all Nickelodeon studios out there and all you designers who are destined to become the best artists out there. And Patchy, this video is dedicated to you. And thanks for the request for getting me to draw SpongeBob for you. I'll ship it to you in the mail real soon. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll let you guys know what kind of character I'll draw you guys next. Bye!